Hey everyone, this is Nick from Quality Business Machines, and in today's video we're going to show you guys how to save video to backup. Now, saving video to backup is the best way to save video when you're looking to save footage that's maybe a little longer and it's multiple time frames and multiple cameras. We showed you guys how to save as AVI before. That's the best way if you're just trying to save a small snippet of video for a singular camera. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have the time frame and cameras established of what you're trying to save. And once you've done that, we'll go ahead and go up to our View Log toolbar and to our Tools icon. We'll click on that. That'll drop down this menu right here, and we'll go ahead and go to the backup icon. Once we click on that, it brings this backup menu up. And from here, we can go ahead and establish where we want to save the video to, our time frames, name the event, all of those things. So anytime we save video, we like to back it up to the operating hard drive. And you do that by clicking on the Using Hard Disk icon. And backup folder name, that's what you're going to name the folder you're looking for. Once you've done that, you need to establish exactly where you'd like to save it to. So we'll click on this box right here to the right. And make sure we're on our desktop and our demo save folder is right here. And click OK. From there, we need to go ahead and add the time frame we're looking for. And it brings up this box here by clicking on Add Time Frame. There's a start time and end time, both date and time. If you wanted to, you could save footage that is over a day long. I wouldn't recommend it. So we'll go ahead and find our established time. And just enter it. And if you noticed, as we went ahead and narrowed our times here, it changed some of the numbers over here. It went and found every event within that time period. If you notice total event, right here it gives you a number. And down below we have our camera list, and it shows the events that happened on each camera within that time frame. This is where you can deselect whatever cameras you are not looking to save video for. You can do that two ways. You can either go to each individual camera box and deselect them, or if you go over to the right here, you'll see the box with the red check and the empty white box here. The red check checks every camera box, and the white box goes ahead and removes every camera from your selection. That's maybe important to look for if you guys have 60 cameras and you don't want to go through and check on 60 boxes. All right. So now that we've found our start time and end time and the proper camera or cameras we're looking for, we'll click OK. And we've established our first time frame. Now, say you were looking for another event close by, but a different camera, you can go ahead and go to Add Time Frame again. And start the process over with the proper time you are looking for. And enter that time frame. There we go. And highlight the camera we're looking for or cameras and click OK. Now it has both of our time frames established here. If we look down here, we see the include player box checked. I usually recommend leaving it that way. What that does is it includes a version of the ViewLog player to go with the footage, which makes it easy to view from another location. And we will click OK from here. Our video is ready to save. And those of you coming from the AVI video will notice this saves a lot faster. All right, it says our save is good. Let's go ahead and look within our folder and make sure the video is there. So we'll minimize GeoVision. And we'll go to our save folder. And here's our backup folder right here. Let's go ahead and go in this. Now from here, there's two different ways to get to your video, and each camera folder, you can go to the simple footage of each AVI file. Click on that, and it's a simple play. But really what you're looking for in the backup folder, if you scroll down in your list, is this Easy View Log 500 icon. You can go ahead and ignore this. There's no audio available for what we saved. And once this pulls up our view log player from, some of you may recognize this from the multicam software. But from here we have our cameras in a drop-down list. We have our multiple dates and times that we established, as well as all of our events. And once you've selected the proper time, you can go ahead and play, stop, and start your video from here and look for your footage. And if you guys were interested in learning more about this version of the view log player, you can go ahead and look at our videos for the view log on the multicam software. We have a good tutorial on this version of the view log from there. All right, guys, that's how you save video to backup in the new VMS software. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.